morning, Ethan.
Good morning, Sophia.
The sun is soft today. The air feels clean.
Yes. I opened my window. A small breeze came in.
I like a small breeze in the morning. It is fresh.
I also looked at my closet. I need a clean shirt.
A closet is a place for clothes. I understand. Today can be a clothes day.
A clothes day?
Yes. Laundry, then a small visit to a clothing store. Maybe later we talk about returns and care.
That is a good plan. Friends who listen, hello. We will speak slowly and use short, simple lines. If this lesson helps you, please like and subscribe. One small comment also helps the class.
Thank you for your support. You can also join the channel or send a super thanks if you want to help more free lessons.
Okay. First, laundry.
Laundry means washing clothes. We have a washing machine and a dryer in the building.
I have a basket of clothes. Shirt, t-shirt, socks, jeans.
We can sort the clothes. Sort means put in groups.
Whites in one group. Colors in another group.
Yes. Also check the care label. A care label is a small tag inside a shirt. It tells you how to wash.
Mine says, wash cold, do not bleach. Tumble dry low.
Wash cold means use cold water. Bleach is a strong white liquid. Tumble dry low means use a low heat in the dryer.
Good to know.
We add detergent. Detergent is soap for clothes.
How much?
A small cap. The label shows the line.
I add it. Do we need fabric softener?
Fabric softener makes clothes feel soft. We can add a little.
The machine has settings. Normal, delicate, quick, heavy.
Delicate is gentle for soft clothes.
I will choose normal for t-shirts and jeans.
Good. Press start.
It starts.
While we wait, we can talk about simple clothing words.
Yes.
Shirt, t-shirt, sweater, jacket, jeans, pants, shorts, skirt, dress, socks, shoes, belt, hat, scarf, gloves.
Materials. Cotton, wool, linen, leather, polyester. Cotton is soft and common. Wool is warm.
Linen is light for warm days. Leather is skin from animals. We see it in shoes and belts. Polyester is a common synthetic fabric.
Colors. Black, white, gray, blue, green, red, yellow, brown, beige, pink, purple, orange.
Sizes: small, S, medium, M, large, L. Sometimes extra small, XS, and extra large, XL.
Fit words. Tight, loose, slim, regular, relaxed.
Style words: casual, formal, sporty. Casual is for daily life. Formal is for work or events.
The washing machine stops.
We move the clothes to the dryer.
My label says air dry.
Air dry means do not use the dryer. Hang the shirt on a hanger or a rack.
A rack is a simple stand.
We can dry most things in the dryer on low heat and hang the others.
Done.
Let us make a small plan for the store. I want a new white shirt for work. I also need socks.
I want a light jacket. Maybe blue or gray.
On the way, friends, please write one small line, your size, and one item you want this month. For example, M, black jacket. Your comment helps you practice and helps others too.
Thank you for your support.
We walk to the store. The street is bright.
The store has big windows. I see shirts on racks.
We open the door. Soft music plays.
Hello.
As sales assistant, female. Hello. Welcome. Can I help you find something?
Yes. A light jacket in medium.
Jackets are on the left. Aisle 3. Fitting rooms are in the back.
Thank you.
Aisle is a walking space. Fitting room is a small room to try clothes.
I pick a blue jacket. It looks simple.
The tag shows the size and the price.
I will try it on.
I will look for a white shirt.
The jacket fits my shoulders. The sleeves are a little long.
You can ask for a different size. Or a tailor can make sleeves shorter. A tailor is a person who changes clothes to fit.
Good idea.
How is the fit?
The sleeves are long. Do you have a medium with shorter sleeves?
We have a regular and a short fit in medium. Try the medium short.
Thank you.
Here you go.
This one is better. I can bend my arm easily.
Looks good.
I will take it.
I found a white shirt in small. The fabric is cotton. It feels soft.
The shirt looks clean and simple.
I will try it in the fitting room.
How is it?
It fits. The shoulders are right. The length is good.
Great.
I also want socks. Where are socks?
As sales assistant female, socks are by the registers on the right.
Registers are the cash desks. Thank you.
Shall we pay?
Yes.
Hello. Ready to check out?
Yes, please.
Jacket and shirt. Any socks today?
Yes. 1 pack of black socks.
Great. Do you have a store card?
Number.
Would you like to join the rewards program? You get small discounts.
Not today, thank you.
No problem. Your total is $58. Card or cash?
Card, please.
Tap or chip?
Tap.
Please tap here. Thank you. Would you like a gift receipt?
What is a gift receipt?
A gift receipt shows the item but not the price. It helps with returns.
No, thank you. Regular receipt is fine.
Here is your receipt and your bag. Return policy. 30 days with tags.
Return policy is the store rule for returns.
Yes. Keep the tags on if you are not sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
The store was friendly.
Yes. Simple lines helped. Can I help you? Fitting rooms in the back. Card or cash. Tap or chip. Receipt. Return policy.
We walk home. The dryer must be done.
The clothes are dry and warm.
We fold them. Fold means make neat shapes.
I like warm socks.
Me too.
By the way, my old jeans are a little small. I may donate them.
Donate means give to a charity or a second-hand store.
There is a donation bin near the library.
Good idea. We can go later.
Friends, in the comments, write one word. Keep, fix, or donate. Which action will you take for one old item? If this episode helps you, please like and share. Your support helps the class.
Thank you.
Later the same day, I check my new jacket again. It looks good, but the zipper feels hard.
A zipper is the metal part you pull to close a jacket.
Maybe I should exchange it.
Exchange means change one item for another. It is different from refund. A refund is money back.
Thank you. Here is your receipt and shoebox.
Thank you.
We leave the store. The sky is light blue.
We did many things today. Laundry, shopping, exchange, shoes, calm steps.
I want to learn laundry stain words too.
Stain is a mark from food or dirt. Stain remover is a liquid that helps clean the mark.
If I spill tea, what do I do?
Blot with a clean cloth. Blot means press, not rub.
Then wash cold?
Yes, often cold water is safe first.
Good.
We can also talk about ironing and steaming. Iron means make clothes flat with a hot tool. Steam means use hot vapor.
I like a small steamer. It is easy.
Me too.
At home now. I hang the new shirt.
I fold the socks and put them in the drawer.
Drawer is a box that slides in and out of a desk or cabinet.
Right.
My phone shows a message. Your online order has arrived at the locker.
A locker is a small box for packages in the building.
I go to the locker with a code.
The code opens the door. You take the package.
It is a sweater. The size is large. It looks big.
If it is too big, We can do an online return. Many stores have a QR code for returns.
QR code is a square code you scan with a phone.
Yes, it gives a return label.
The email says, "Drop off at the post office."
We can go tomorrow.
The next day, the post office is busy.
As postal clerk, female. Hello, how can I help you?
I have an online return with a QR code.
Please show the code. Thank you. I will print a label.
Thank you.
Here is your receipt. The refund will arrive in 5 to 7 days.
Refund means money back.
Yes,
That was simple.
because we used short, polite lines.
Friends, if this return example is useful, please like and share. Your support helps more learners find us. You can also join the channel or use Super Thanks to power free beginner lessons.
Thank you.
Back at home, I want to organize my closet.
Organize means put in order. We can use 3 boxes: keep, fix, donate.
Keep means we like it and it fits. Fix means tailor or repair. Donate means give away.
We put old t-shirts in the donate box. We keep the good jeans. We fix 1 loose button.
A button is a small round thing to close a shirt. A loose button needs sewing.
Sew means attach with a needle and thread.
I can sew a button.
Good skill.
We also talk about storage. Storage means how to keep things.
Use hangers for shirts and jackets. Use a box for winter scarves and gloves.
Put cedar blocks in the box to keep a fresh smell.
Cedar has a clean wood smell.
The closet looks better now.
Nice work.
Friends, write 1 small line. Keep plus item. Fix plus item. Or donate plus item. Your line can inspire someone.
Thank you for writing.
I want to practice polite help lines in a store.
Good idea. I will be the assistant. You be the shopper.
Okay.
As sales assistant. Hello, can I help you?
Yes. I am looking for a gray sweater in medium.
Gray sweaters are on the second rack on the left.
Do you have cotton?
Yes, this one is 100% cotton. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
How is the fit?
A little loose. Do you have small?
Yes. Here you go.
This one fits.
Great. The register is in front.
That practice helps.
Short, kind, clear.
One more thing. Care words.
Care words on labels. Wash cold, /warm/hot, hand wash, machine wash, do not bleach, line dry/air dry, tumble dry low, iron/steam, dry clean only.
Dry clean only means take it to a special shop.
Yes. A dry cleaner uses special liquid, not water.
I will avoid dry clean only if I want easy care.
Good plan.
It is late afternoon. The light is warm.
We made good progress today.
We did laundry, bought a jacket and a shirt, exchanged 1 item, bought shoes and socks, did an online return, and organized the closet.
Many useful lines and words.
Friends, if you learned 1 new word, please write it below. Also, tell us 1 action you will do this week. Wash, donate, fix, or buy. Your comments help our class grow. Please like and subscribe if this lesson helped you.
You can also join the channel or send a super thanks. Your support keeps these simple lessons free for beginners around the world.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time.
See you soon.